Hello guys, welcome back. In this video, you will learn how to use freeze panes to look rows or columns and keep them visible while you scroll to another part of the worksheet. Need to freeze the first row, select the first row, click on View, Freeze Panes, Freeze Top Row. As you can see, the first row is visible while we scroll down to another part of the worksheet. Need to freeze the first column, select the second column, freeze panes, freeze panes. First column is also visible. Need to freeze the first row and the first column. Select the cell below the rows and to the right of the columns you want to visible. Freeze panes, freeze panes. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this video to be helpful. For more daily tips and tricks, subscribe us and don't forget to like the video.